You type a question about quantum mechanics or specialized tax law into a chat box. Less than a second later, a formatted, comprehensive answer is displayed across your screen. This instant delivery creates a specific mental model. It feels as if you are consulting a digitized version of a complete encyclopedia set, an authoritative archive of absolute truth. This authoritative performance leads us to entirely trust the output, creating a vulnerability when the facts actually matter. The illusion breaks when you ask for something specific and verifiable: a historical date, a medical statistic, a specific legal ruling from 1994. In these situations, the model often generates a confident, well-reasoned answer that is invented from nothing. Given that this tool was trained on billions of pages of information, why does it invent a lie instead of reporting that the information is missing? The answer requires us to change how we view the software. The model functions as a prediction engine, distinct from a database. Under the surface, the system operates as the world's most sophisticated player of guess the next word. The system processes a sentence by breaking language into small chunks called tokens, whole words or just fragments of syllables. It then calculates the mathematical probability of which specific chunk should follow, based on patterns observed during training. It selects the most likely next token and repeats the process. Step by step, it builds a full response. Because the system generates text through these isolated mathematical steps, it functions without any awareness of the underlying truth of the words it produces. So how does a simple guessing game produce working code and logical essays? The secret is scale. We call these large language models, or LLMs, because they are trained on massive amounts of text, essentially every digitized book and article the human race has ever produced. By analyzing this volume of data, the model maps the statistical relationships between ideas so accurately that its predictions mimic human reasoning. The AI generates unique sequences of text by navigating its statistical map, a process distinct from pulling a pre-written file from storage. What we perceive as genuine human intelligence is actually just a result of statistical prediction performed at a staggering scale. This statistical mapping explains why the system will occasionally lie with total confidence. This is a hallucination. It occurs when the AI strings together words that are mathematically likely to follow one another, but are factually incorrect. This diagram shows the logic. If a fake historical event sounds like a real one, the system calculates a high probability for it. It selects the plausible path because it has no internal tool to verify facts. Hallucinations represent the system working exactly as designed, prioritizing plausible-sounding text over factual verification. Large language models are engines of fluency, prioritizing linguistic patterns over the specific data lookups found in a search engine. That predictive fluency is revolutionary for drafting emails, summarizing documents, or brainstorming. Use the tool as a master of language, but always provide human oversight to verify the objective reality of its claims.